Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have the Honor Magic V Flip. So this is the first small size foldable device from Honor, and this time, wow, they combined the fashion, high technology, and amazing appearance on this device. So next, let's check what's inside the box. Magic V Flip. Okay, silver white edition. And 2GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. So next, let's check what's inside the box. Oh, yes. Oh, so after we open it, the phone is in front of us here. Okay, let's put it here first and check the accessories. Okay, let's remove this. And now we get another small box, slogan, SIM card ejector. Oh. And quick start, gift card, and also this time to provide a pure white hard plastic case. Okay, let's check it. Whoa, it's a well designed case and pure white. No, I think not plastic, it's kind of a soft stick gel. Very nice. And yes, here, separate. Okay, this is the case. Let's put it aside first, and then, okay, cable, USB-A, Type-C cable. Put it back, and here, charger, 66-watt charger. So this time, provide a 66-watt charger, and also this time the battery of about this device reached to 4,800. So according to the official information, within 50 minutes you can get almost 50% battery. Okay, so next, let's check this device. Okay, let's get it out from the protector. Whoa, so finally the phone is in front of us. Whoa, this black part is a huge, big 4-inch screen, and this part it's like a leather of a bird, no smooth. Yeah, very nice. Front side. And this time for the thickness part about this device is just 7.15 mm, and weight just 193 gram. So it's very light and thin device, but it also gets a 4,800 battery. This is pretty nice. And next, let's wake up the screen. Okay, here is the power button. Oh, so when we wake up the screen, you find it inside is a 6.8-inch inside screen, OLED, and also the display resolution, as I mentioned above, is 2520 by 1080 and 3000 nit peak brightness, and support the Dolby Vision and LTPO, 120Hz refresh rate, and PWM. We go to settings to check more information about this device. Okay, processor, okay, just the generation 1 Snapdragon 8 Plus processor. middle range, 12 GB RAM plus 500 GB ROM. Here, yes, it's the resolution information. Go to the display to check the refresh rate, screen refresh rate, dynamic, yes, 120 Hz refresh rate, dynamic. And here is the outside screen. We can, fold it. For the camera, this time is 50 megapixel main one and 12 megapixel wide angle. And for the main one, we check it. Agree, next, try now. Yeah. Put a object here. And the main one is IMX 816 f1.2 autofocus. Take picture. 1, 2 times. Oh, different details. Zoom this here. And when we go to front, inside, beauty mode, and we can also wake up the camera here. Wow! So when we wake up the camera here, we can both check finding the gallery, camera pictures, and also the front camera here. And when we take a picture, the picture will go to the left part. A very convenient design, I really like it. And sorry for the front main one here. This is one is IMX 816 is support 4D beauty mode, and for the real one, this one, the main camera is IMX 906 f1.9 OS supported, and also worked with the 12 megapixel macro lens and wide angle camera. Pretty nice. Yeah, very nice. And I think besides these main features, we can go to the outside screen to check the UI information. Yes, full word display, exercise, sport, game, mini games. So this is another main feature about this device, because this time it's powered by the Magic OS 8.0, and it's based on Android 14. Yes, this is another main features for this device. It supports smart OS, and also the outside screen support automatic adjustment for most of the application, weather, clock. It seems you got two main screens, the inside and outside. It's not like the traditional small size foldable device, just like get two main screens. So I think the biggest advantage of this device. You can forget about the small screen, even in a small size foldable device. And it looks amazing, I think, when you wake up the outside screen. So the specification, the processor is just so-so, but I say I will buy it because it's a beautiful design. And also this time, for the hinge and fold quality, it passed the SGS certificate, and they use the Honor special technology hinge. It can provide a good quality and durable and anti-shake, anti-drop proof. Also, when we keep this angle, it can use the mirror, the makeup box for the females. For the girls, yeah, very convenient as well. So this time the Honor Magic V Flip doesn't powered by the flagship Snapdragon processor, but it's also powered by on-developer signal enhanced chips C1 Plus, and also it can provide a powerful signal solution, and also the ramp chamber cooling solution can provide a better cooling system for this device. Yeah, let's check it from different angles. It's really beautiful. About this amazing 4-inch outside screen, the display resolution reached to 1200 by 1092, and we can find the left button. There are dual cameras, so we can because normally we use the right hand, so it can be very convenient for us to control it. And also this screen is support LTPO and 120 refresh rate, and also its eye protect functions, and PPI 405. LTPO supported, and peak brightness reached to 1600 nit wake up it, and it supports PWM brightness adjustment 2160 Hz in the 4-inch size to be supported. And we can go to the foldable phones, and to change the styles, it's a pet mode, apply. Well, so yes, again, very nice, right? Easy and very cute. It's very funny for the outside screen first time. We can control here. This is the 60:9 screen ratio screen, just like the normal phones, and it can display the time, message, and it supports 40 most of the applications. Use it, listen music, chart, play games, watch videos, everything, almost everything you can do. And also the screen to body ratio for the outside part is 85 screen to body ratio, and we can find the narrow bezel. We can go to the very narrow bezel, and it's just 2.83 mm, and it's also reached the top level in the market. And even when we fold it, the thickness is just 14.89 mm. If you unfold it, 7.15 mm. Very easy to put it to your pocket and on your hand, and also it's not heavy, just 193 grams. Very nice. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Very funny. Yeah. And also the AI functions. We can go to Yo-Yo to check the AI. Here, assistant, Yo-Yo suggestion, Yo-Yo suggestion, Yo-Yo assistant, voice wake up, magic photo, Honor lens, AI recognized camera, smart sensing, AI scan. Besides this, you can also use to optimize your wide angle, your camera, your battery, and many convenient functions. It's also managed by AI, and it's controlled by the voice, by wake up, by Yo-Yo. 你好 Yo-Yo. Yeah, this is wake up words. Very nice. So this is very quick hands-on video about the magic wave flip. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Yeah, from the and also, like last I want to mention, this time they also have a Jimmy Choo special edition. I put some pictures at the end of the video so you can check it. Yeah, nice. It's nice. Bye bye.